Okay, use the remainder theorem to determine the remainder. According to the remainder theorem, if you have px is any expression, could be px like that, 2x3, 7x2 minus 8x. You divide it by, let's say x minus a. The remainder is p of the zeros of that. X minus a, the zeros of this is a. The PA gonna be your remainder. Like an example, this is gonna be my PX, right? X is equal to 2x power 3 plus 7x2 minus 8x plus 3. Now I wanna see the remainder that is divided by x plus 3. I need to find a 0 first here. X plus 1, I equal it to 0, x equal to -1. Then P of -1 will be my remainder. So simply P of -1, instead of the x everywhere, I put what? -1 to the power of 3 plus 7, -1 to the power of 2 minus 8, -1 plus 3. So -1 power 3 is -1, so it's -2. Here is plus 7 plus 8 plus 3. So 3 and 7 is 10. It's going to be 16. So the remainder going to be 16. You can do it for the rest of that the same way. You understood, Theodore? Yes? You cannot. Okay. The remainder when each polynomial is divided, again, you do the same thing. These are your px, dividing that by that. So you find a p of -2. The same way you can do this question. Let's just do this kind of question. Determine the value of the k when px is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 7. Then according to the remainder theorem, I know the zeros of that is x equal to -1, right? I know p of -1 is equal to my remainder, but my remainder is 7. Now I know p of -1 is 7. So I find the p of -1. What is the p of -1? Simply again, instead of x, you put -1 everywhere. -1 power 3 plus 5, -1 to the power of 2 minus 2, -1 plus 3. So this whole thing that was p -1 should be equal to what? 7. I need to simplify that. See, -1 power 3 is negative. So it's going to be -k. This is going to be 5. This is going to be 2. Here is 3 equal to 7. I simplify this side. It's going to be plus 10 equal to 7. -k equal to 7 minus 10 equal to -3, right? So -k is equal to -3. Of course, k is equal to 3, true? This is how we do it. And then determine the remainder when the px is divided by x minus 3. Now I have px. My px is, I find k, right? I have that to be 3x power 3 plus 5x power 2 minus 2x plus 3. Now, divided by, I want to find the remainder when it's divided by x minus 3. There's 0 here is x equal to 3. So I need to just find p of 3. Again, I'm not going to do that, but you know, p of 3 is going to be 3 power 3 plus 5, 2 to the power of 2, sorry, 3 to the power of 2, minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3. So you just put it in your calculator and find that. This is going to be your remainder. Any question, Theodore? So this is for that. The rest of the question, I want you to try. Let me just raise that. So I will log out and you log in again, okay? Because I want to save this one.